Nestled on the Dominican Republic's northern coast, Dreams Playa Esmeralda Resort and Spa is a vibrant family getaway surrounded by lush scenery and ocean views. Here, relaxation and adventure come together for your ideal getaway. With nearly half a mile of beachfront and expansive pool areas, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy the Caribbean sun. 4 pools, including options for activities, relaxation, and kids, plus an infinity pool, make it easy for everyone to find their spot. Younger guests will love the Explorers Club, Core Zone Teen Club, Splash Pad, and water slides, while the whole family can enjoy games and water sports. Parents seeking quiet can escape next door to Secrets Playa Esmeralda, with full spa access featuring hydrotherapy circuits, elegant treatment rooms, and a salon. Dining is designed to please every palate. Enjoy an international buffet at the World Café, Mediterranean dishes at Olivo, seafood at Oceana, and Mexican classics at El Patio. Dine poolside at Blue Water Grill, or stop by Dolce for ice cream and coffee. Adult guests also enjoy access to the elevated dining of Secrets Playa Esmeralda, expanding the options even further. After a day of fun, retreat to spacious accommodations blending comfort with tropical style. Well-appointed rooms, plush bedding, and thoughtful amenities create a welcoming home away from home. Whether you're after family adventure, beachfront relaxation, or both, Dreams Playa Esmeralda is the perfect setting to create lasting memories. Contact your travel advisor today to begin planning.